Today I'm rocking a middle part and I'm not feeling it. Also, they're over here cutting down and grinding trees, so I'm really sorry about that sound, but they've been doing it for weeks now, and there have been so many times that I've gone to film and I've stopped because the sound is so distracting to me, and I have no idea if you guys can hear it. Especially while I'm talking, you may not be able to hear it, but girl, it's distracting me to no end, but I have to film, so I'm throwing that out there in case you hear something you're wondering what that sound is. So here we are for Monday's video, and I have a haul, of course, to share with you guys. The things that I found at this Dollar Tree that I really liked. It's not like the most exciting haul I've ever found, but I found some new stuff regardless, and I am excited to share that with you guys. So let's dive in. This is nothing exciting. I just bought some mailers. I had to return something I bought on Amazon that I ended up not liking. I tried to buy these like knockoff Apple AirPods, and they were decent, but you can definitely tell the quality from Apple and the knockoffs. There was no like bass. I don't really know how to describe it, but I'm diving in a little too deep on why I bought this. But that's why I bought it. I found some new water bottles and I really liked the patterns. However, on my Instagram, I showed you guys what happened to one of the water bottles that I recently purchased from Dollar Tree and showed you guys in a video. And I am feeling like this is gonna be the same situation. They're gonna melt in the dishwasher. So you wanna make sure, and you wanna find something that says if it's important to you to wash in the dishwasher, because otherwise you can obviously hand wash these and it will be just fine. But if it doesn't say dishwasher safe, then it's probably not. Here is a pink version of it, and then I really like this one. So I thought these would be great, especially if you have like older kids for Easter and you have multiple kids. This would be great to give them each a different water bottle, and they have their own unique ones. I picked up a couple more Easter things. I am going to be doing a video on putting together like my daughter's Easter basket. I think it's going to be a whole video, maybe on this channel, maybe on my vlog. It's definitely going to be vlog style, where I take you guys shopping with me to find the things that I'm going to put her little basket together. It's going to have a theme. I think it's going to be a makeup theme, or it might be an athletic theme. So I don't know. Stick around, subscribe if you wanna, in case you want to see that video. But I got some Easter stuff for her faux basket. It's not going to be a traditional basket. And I really like these Easter eggs. These Easter eggs. That's what they're called right there. And I like the metallic eggs. I've purchased these in the past for her as well. I feel like this is great for an older audience. And these were just adorable. You're gonna see this in an upcoming video. So I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do with these, but I just thought they were really cute. They have the little bunny ears, adorable. She likes little cute stuffed animals, and so I found this adorable little lamb. Like, his head is way bigger than his body, and I just thought that was adorable. So I got this for her little Easter stuff. This is decor I think that they've had at Dollar Tree for a couple years now, but this is my first time I think ever buying it. But I bought these little burlap. They didn't stuff it very well. Like, they tried to put stuffing in here, but it only goes up to here, because you can kind of see through the light, see through that there's absolutely no stuffing through here. That's kind of weak to me, but whatever. I got these for another DIY. I think I'm gonna have one more Easter DIY coming up, so stick around for that in case you're interested. This also may or may not be new, but this is the first time I'm seeing this at my Dollar Trees. And they have egg storage containers. What? That's really surprising. You could also, obviously you could put this in your fridge and put eggs in there. You could use this for Easter if you're, coloring eggs and you need to transport them. This is gonna be great for that. You can also use this in your craft room and organize, just maybe loose glitter, or you're doing crafts or paint. So this is gonna be great for all kinds of things. I found some new ribbon. So here it is. And you get, it looks like twine. It has that rustic aspect to it in brown and in this lime or light green color. And I picked up this one. This is not new. This has been around for a long time, but I think I'm going to use this for a spring DIY. So hopefully, maybe if I'm going to use it or not, you'll see it in that video. All right, so I think I've pretty much gone through most of like my Easter related things. Now we're going to dive into all the new planner stuff, office supply-ish type stuff, and some new picture frames that are out of this world. So I guess now that I realize it, this is an exciting haul. But I found these new thank you notes, or just notes in general, because they're blank inside. And they are Hallmark, and they were retailed once for $3.89. Got these for $1 each at Dollar Tree. I found some new adorable notebooks as well. Here they are. This one says your attitude determines your direction. I really love the color palette of this. I don't think we've seen anything in this like color style at Dollar Tree before. And then it's just a plain notebook. This one says enjoy life. I really love the color combos. I also don't think we've seen anything in this style. So really pretty. And this one says inspire. This one's my least favorite, but I do like the polka dots and the stripes. I feel like if they did this in rose gold instead of this yellowy gold, it would have been really pretty, or maybe even a silver. I found a solar decor, LED decor, and look how cute this is. So solar meaning you obviously want to put this where it receives direct sunlight so that it will glow. But what? This sort of reminds me of Jughead, little crown. All right, now let's get into the sticker portion because we might be here a while. And I found this whole like family cohesive set. This is the Jot brand line. This one has an angel heart love theme. This one has just words: relax, faithful, freedom, smile, lucky. This one just, I don't know. This one, these are kind of really cheeky and just kooky a little bit, I guess, looking through this whole set. So I like that. I like seeing different styles of stickers. And this one, little house, little idea, that's cute. This one's also a bunch of words. And this one has like a party style theme. I found 2 new clipboards, and I think they're probably the prettiest clipboards I've ever seen Dollar Tree put out. Here is this one. I love this one. It's my favorite. Blue is my favorite color, and I just recently did my Dollar Tree haul and blue theme. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel, I do an entire series where I haul things in a specific color. I've done yellow, pink, and blue so far. I'll link them down below for you. And this one definitely could have fit into that blue theme. And this one is really pretty. Love this one. This is pretty random, but I found this tissue paper and it's completely adorable. I've never seen Dollar Tree put out anything like this. And it has little pets on there. Like the little cat has a scarf. There's a little dog, another little cat. And I just think that's so adorable. I've actually seen this sticker set at Dollar Tree, but only recently did I finally decide that they're actually really adorable and I wanted to get all of them, which I didn't. I think I missed out on maybe 1 or 2 more, but ta-da! And they all have the little wiggly eyes. I don't know if you can hear them, so it does have like a pop-up effect to them. So if you like flat stickers, you may not like these. I love this little sticker sheet. I've never seen it before, but I feel like it might have been around. I don't know, but y'all, it's adorable. What? So stinking cute. Probably in a top 5 favorite. This is pretty darn adorable. I feel like I probably hauled this too. Like I probably hauled it, don't remember it. I do have a lot of stickers. I love stickers. And I found even more stickers, but these are the planner style. I think the ones that a lot of us really love. I actually prefer some of the cute, cheekier ones over these, but these are fun and also really shocking as well to find at Dollar Tree. At the end of the day, I know I say this is $1, but this is crazy that it's $1. You travel up in Michael's or Hobby Lobby, it's not $1. So here is this set. Really would be complimentary in your planners if you're into that. I really love the color combos. This one has like that Valentine's Day feel, but I never saw this during Valentine's Day. This one has a shabby chic look to it. I love these little like gift tag silhouettes. Really pretty, all the page flags. And then so beautiful. I love this one. This one's really pretty too. It just shouts springtime. And I love how each set is different. You're not getting the same silhouette, the same cuts in every single sheet. Look at this whole like list of to-dos here. And then you get these little like icons and more flags in these little boxes. I think these will be really great for all kinds of planners, happy planners, Erin Condren, A5s. You may have to cut some of them down to fit if you want them to fit in a specific place, or otherwise they're just gonna be great in all kinds of planners. This one I love so much, I got 2. It has a little breakfast, I don't know, yeah, I guess so. There's tea and coffee and muffins. This looked like an ice cream cone, but it's actually a muffin. At least that's what it looks like to me. And then I love the color combos, really pretty for spring as well, really delicates, and I love how they threw in a red. I really thought that was a smart color choice. Macaroons there, so I got 2. All right, then I found a new stationery set. This one is really cute. I'm obsessed. Every time they put out a new stationery set, I get so excited because every time they don't disappoint because it really is adorable. This one has a llama theme, so that whole no problema, no drama llama thing. Here is this notebook, and it is by the company Crown Jewels. So it's not a company that, I don't know, I have no idea if Dollar Tree owns them. All I know is that this label has been at Dollar Tree for a couple years now. So here's a cute little notebook. Here's the back. I love the little scene. I really like it. Here is a top-bound spiral notebook. And the llama in this one is blue. I think the color choices are really fun and festive. Here is another little notebook. I mean, just everything. They did everything so different. White background and then multiple llamas with different colors. Here's another little guy in the back. Here is a notepad. Has a lavender background, and also noticing that the labels for these have this like lavender. So even their labels match the theme that they're doing, which I like. And then here is the sticker set. I only saw this one. Comment and let me know if there was like multiple sticker sets to this, but I only found this one. And they kind of have like a little puffy feel to them. Not much, they're not completely flat, but they have like this little puffiness to them. All right, and we're down to the very last item, and this is just gonna be the star of the show. What? This is craziness, you guys. This is probably, and I have a bad memory, so I should have thought this through, but I feel like I'm still confident in saying this. I feel like this is one of the best farmhouse decor pieces that Dollar Tree's ever put out. Look at this, you know, galvanized, and it's rippled as well. So it has like texture to it, and then you have this wood, and this is really wood because there are splinters. You could get splinters from this thing, so just be careful with this. I love the color of the frame itself, and then you get this little piece here to hang your little picture or note or like whatever you want. So I got 3 of these. What? And then you can see you have a little kickstand. They didn't give you a method to like hang these on the wall, but if you really wanted to, you know, you could hot glue some like string and like hang it up like that, or they make little brackets that you can add to picture frames. Even maybe at Dollar Tree they sell those as well. So I got 3 of these and they were each $1 and I can't believe it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If I seemed a little bit out of it, I think it's because I'm just distracted by the trees. But that's it for Monday's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you soon. I don't know if there's going to be a Tuesday video quite yet, but we'll be back Wednesday for another Dollar Tree haul. And I have another color series coming up, and I've already seen you guys taking a guess in the last video where I asked you to guess, and so many of you have it right. So I'll see you then. Bye.